Winnipeg is the capital and largest city of the province of Manitoba in Canada. It is located in the central part of the country and is often referred to as the gateway to the west due to its strategic location at the confluence of the Red and Assiniboine rivers. The city has a population of over 700,000, making it the seventh largest city in Canada. Winnipeg experiences a temperate continental climate with cold winters and warm summers. The city is renowned for its cold, snowy winters. Winnipeg is a culturally rich and diverse city that offers a unique blend of urban amenities and natural beauty. Relatives from the Philippines are here in Winnipeg for a visit. Of course, we have to show them around the city on a tour. In this video, we took them to the Forks. We brought them inside the Forks Market and walked along the banks of the Red River. The name the Forks in Winnipeg comes from the geographical feature at the heart of the area. It is named after the point where the Red River and the Assiniboine River converge, creating a fork-like junction. This natural confluence of two major rivers made it a significant and strategic location for indigenous peoples and later European fur traders and settlers. The confluence of these two rivers allowed for easy access to transportation and trade routes, making it a vital meeting place for various indigenous groups and a central hub for fur trading in the region. This historical significance of the location, with the rivers forming a fork or junction, led to the name the Forks. The area at the Forks has played a crucial role in the history of Winnipeg and the surrounding region, and it continues to be a cultural and recreational focal point in the city today. Today, the Forks is a bustling cultural and recreational hub. It features a variety of attractions including museums, markets, restaurants, and recreational areas. The area surrounding the Forks offer numerous outdoor activities such as winter skating on the Forks, famous river skating trails, or enjoying green spaces and walking trails during the warmer months. The Forks is not only a historical landmark but also a vibrant, contemporary space that reflects the multicultural and dynamic spirit of Winnipeg.